In Python, we use if, elif, and else statements to make decisions in our code. This is called conditional logic, which means our program can behave differently depending on the conditions we set. Let's take a look at this code. So at the start we ask for the input, what's the weather, and then the if statement checks if the condition is true. So if we type in rainy, then it will print out take an umbrella. The else if statement, or the elif statement, lets us check another condition if the first condition is false. So if this is false, we move to the elif statement, and if the elif statement is true, we put out wear warm coats. Now the else statement. The else statement runs if none of the previous conditions were true. So if both of these end up being false, it prints out enjoy your day. Let's look at another example where we determine what kind of movie ticket a person can buy based on their age. So if the age is less than 13, then the computer tells you to buy a child ticket. If the age is between 13 and 17, then it says buy a teen ticket. And if all else fails, which is basically saying if you're 18 or older, then it says you can buy an adult ticket. Let's see this in action. So it says enter your age. Let's say for the first input we are 11 years old. Boom, it says buy a child ticket because the first statement ends up being true. So then it just says buy a child ticket. Let's try to do an age that's older than 13. So let's do 15 years old. It says buy a teen ticket because the if statement ends up being false. So it goes to the else if statement. It checks if it's less than 18, which is true. So then you get buy a teen ticket. Now, let's say we're 22 years old. And now it says buy an adult ticket because if all fails, it's not less than 13, it's not less than 18, it must be older than 18, which is the else statement, so it says buy an adult ticket. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.